Hello, everyone! In this video, we will talk about Google Dorks and how it can be used in specific cases, like finding smart contract and code vulnerabilities. First of all, disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. Misuse of Google Dorking can be considered hacking in some countries, so please be careful. So let's start. This is the Google Hacking Database, exploit-db.com/Google Hacking Database. You can see that people have submitted exploits they have found, so that it's for everybody's knowledge. These reports can help you learn a lot. So, Google Dorking is basically using advanced search queries to find hidden or sensitive information that is exposed on the internet. Now, let's look at some examples. Site.github.com. Begin EC private key. FileType.pem. This dork is used to find private keys exposed in GitHub repositories. Sometimes people intentionally leave what is called snake oil cryptographic keys. These are intentionally weak or insecure keys that are used for testing or development. So you need to check if you have found an exploit or if it's a snake oil key. Here is a sample export. You can see that they look exactly like a real private key with phrases like begin EC private key. There is also this website dorksearch.com, which can be used to test out dorks directly. I found it while learning how to write dorks. Now, one small trick is wildcards. For example, site.pastebin.com or I. This can be used to find pastebin entries with partial words or usernames. This can be applied to other code pasting sites as well. Let's get to the idea we want to discuss today for smart contracts. Now let's take this example for smart contracts. This blog explains a real exploit that happened on Hedgy Finance. So let's say we want to dork for similar vulnerable contracts. Some examples are looking for function createLockedCampaign, solidity keywords, or function cancelCampaign, solidity or function transferFrom, solidity, require msg.sender.call.value, or approve, transferFrom, solidity or IERC20, transferFrom, approve, or similar function searches. What is the idea behind this? These dorks target code where an ERC20 approval is used without proper revocation. It can help find contracts where approvals are given, but there is no way to revoke them securely. These are high-risk contracts similar to the Hedgy issue. Next, let's look at reentrancy vulnerabilities. Another common issue is reentrancy. Some dorks include looking for function withdraw, call.value, solidity, msg.sender.call.value, solidity, msg.sender.transfer, function withdraw. What is the idea behind this? Reentrancy occurs when an external call is made like call.value or transfer without securing state properly. There is one more in this set of common smart contract vulnerabilities. Insecure ownership checks. This is very common in phishing and scams. For example, you can create dorks that have these conditions: require msg.sender equal to owner, tx.origin equal to owner, onlyOwner, tx.origin. What is the idea behind this? Scammers sometimes use tx.origin instead of msg.sender for access control. This makes the contract vulnerable to phishing attacks. So in short, Google Dorking can be a very powerful tool to identify exposed secrets, code vulnerabilities, and insecure implementations. But remember again, use this only for educational purposes or in your own testing.